Hi there. Google Chrome has introduced a new feature called Add Tab to New Split View. We will know about that in this video. Suppose I want to work on both Google and DeepSeek at the same time, keeping them under my eyes. So what I can do now? Right-click on the tab, come to Split View. It will ask you about the tab you want to add with. So, as I want DeepSeek to be added, so click on DeepSeek. You can see, these two tabs are now one tab and I can directly eye on them and work. Searching for Google Head Office on both the search and I can watch them without switching the tabs. Again, if you need more tabs to be paired, you can do it. When needed, simply right-click on the tab, come to Split View and Separate Views. Tabs will be like earlier. So, this is the latest useful feature added by Google Chrome for multiple tab users. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.